In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft .NET framework error on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Settings and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Windows Update, and what you're going to do is just press the Check for Updates button on the right-hand side here. And if there are any pending updates, then you'll need to go and install those now. So you can see here that I have one pending update. So what I'm going to do is restart my computer and install that update, and then you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you can try doing is uninstalling any third-party antiviruses. In my instance, I had this malware byte installed, and that was causing the issue for me. So if you do have any third-party antiviruses, especially if you don't use the software, then you can try uninstalling that and also checking to see if that fixes the issue. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser, and in the search box, you need to type in .NET space framework space repair space tool and then hit enter. Then you're just going to click on this top search result, which is the official Microsoft.com website. And what we're going to do is download this tool here. And this is going to help scan our computer for any corrupted or missing files. So once this is finished downloading, simply open up the tool, and then you just need to go through the steps while this installs onto your computer. So press Next, click on Next again, and then finally press Finish. Now, once again, you can check to see if that solved your issue. Otherwise, the last thing we can do is head back over to your Start menu, search for CMD, and then you want to right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window here, we're just going to type in a couple of commands that's going to help scan for any corrupted or damaged files. So the first one you need to type in is dism.exe space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health, and then press enter. And now what you'll need to do is just wait a few minutes while this runs this tool on your computer. So you'll need to wait for this to get to 100%. So once this gets to 100%, what you need to do then is type in sfc /scan now and then hit enter once again. And if you get this message saying that there is a system repair pending which requires a reboot to complete, then what you'll need to do is restart your computer first. And then you can head back over to the command prompt and try running the sfc scan now command. And that should then fix any framework errors you're getting on your Windows 11 computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.